because we do so much pouring, we get all this extra paint all over. And we're going to try to use that. We got a bunch here. I bought this off of Amazon. Comes with a bunch of these things. We're going to try to make some jewelry, some pendants out of this with resin and little pieces of our paint. This is the resin we're using. So we don't know exactly what we're doing here, but our plan is to fill this almost all the way up, put the paint piece on top of that and let it cure for a little while, and then pour resin on top of that to seal it in. I think if you put the paint inside it, I think it'll float, but I'm not sure. We'll find out. Okay.
It's not going to take much.
It's not filling into the corners though.
I think once you put that thing in there, it's going to...
It's too much.
I was thinking you wouldn't need that much and then you just put the rest.
Well, that didn't work as expected, but I'm gonna go in it.
Just a dab and...
Oh boy, I made a mess. Doesn't seem to be floating, so this seems to be working okay.
Perfect. You want to torch it?
Yeah. First, I'm going to do this.
What are you doing? Alcohol paint?
Yeah. We got these. Where are you? We got these. We're going to try these.
Should I do something to my yellow? Maybe
Should have torched those. Okay, one thing we should have done probably was torched before we put the paint in there. Alright, now we let it dry. Got a heart. This one's kind of plain, but it looks cool. This is another plain one. detail on this up close. That looks cool. I like that one. This one would have been cool with the ink. The ink dropped to the top of this and sort of blocked all the cool stuff. The two we did with the extra paint, I'll save for last. I'll show you those at the end. These are just some extra ones. We have extra resin. I really like this one, except for that big white spot there. This is the one, Jeanette's paint one. Lots of bubbles in it. And we need to figure out, you can see the paint right there, a little chip of paint. Figure out how to keep it from being in the middle like that. Otherwise this would have been cool. And inside the pendant thingy, not bad, I guess. Mine, I got bubbles too. Focus. But this, I like this one. Bubbles make it look kind of cool, actually, I think. So those are kind of fun, kind of cool to try. We're going to work on it a little bit more, obviously play around with it. Alright, I'm going to glue this into the pendant holder thing using, I think I'm just going to use this. Enough. There it is. My first paint chip resin pendant. I kind of like it. I think it's cool. Even though there are a lot of bubbles in it.